but I don't fucking care. I don't fucking care. I don't fucking care.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to give you trending catch like full edit presets. So make sure to watch till the end. Now let's see the preview. Hope you liked the video. Join Telegram channel XML will drop there once this video hit 500 likes. If video reach 100 comment, I will drop tutorial. See you in the next one.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is